Alright, so now we're going to style the pompadour. So what I want to do is just add a little bit of gel. Gel is a good base for guys, and it's something that, you know, guys put in their hair and they think it's the only product to use. Gel is really a base product, just like a serum for women, or, you know, a foam for women. So I like putting the gel in, and that'll give it hold as you dry it or as you set it. So a couple things with men's hair. He could set this back if he's going to wear this as a pompadour and he doesn't want to blow dry it. Maybe he's very anti blow dry, which some guys are. Slick it back like this with the gel, and then let it dry like that. Then run your hands through it, break up the gel, then go in and use like a pomade or something like that. Once it has the hold and it's laying down right. What I like to do here is we're going to actually go through and blow dry it. We got our good old freestyle blow dryer. And we're going to work the hair just back. So it's not a complicated thing. You don't want to overcomplicate a blow dry for a guy ever. And we'll just work this hair back, laying down these sides. So using a nice airy kind of vent brush, do a little lift, little pop at the scalp, and then just keep combing it back. Basically with guys' hair, you want to almost comb it the direction it's going to go and give it a lift in that direction as well. So the gel now is giving it hold. Before, we would probably go in, just blow dry a guy's hair, then add the product to it. Then it's not going to have an all-day hold when he goes to style it. So. If we can teach our guests how to use the airflow to push hair where we want it to go, then they won't have issues with cowlicks, because cowlicks aren't really that big of a deal as long as you push the wind and push the hair in the direction you want it to live and not let it dry naturally. So you can see it's starting to dry, and it's drying with hold, and that's what I like. It already has a texture to it. It has, you know, a nice feel that it's going to stay like this for the whole day. Now, we have our volume here. This is a little damp still, but I'm going to do one more little trick. Thank you, sir. One more little trick here. We're going to take a round brush, real small round brush. I know you're going to think to yourself, I can't get a guy to do this. I think the same thing, but I also feel that if it's just this one section, we can do that. So just taking the hair, over directing it straight down. Let this be back. So over direct it straight down, turn on our blow dryer. We'll just work that one section. And a little tip real quick, if you want it to flow this way, I'm going to round brush it this direction. So just round brush it the opposite direction that you want it to fly back. So I don't want it to just come straight up and over. I think that's going to be silly on a guy. So I'm going to go off to his left-hand side with the blow dryer. Now changing oil is more complicated than that, so I'm pretty sure they can learn how to just do that one little step. Then what we're going to do, we're going to take a product, I like this product, Clean Cut. It's a nice creamy pomade. We're gonna take about a fingertip full. We'd need a lot more if we didn't have the gel already in there. We're gonna run that in our hands, make sure that it basically turns our hands completely white. So the product's completely smushed in there. Then what I'm gonna do is bring this, look at that, nice volume there. We're gonna work that through the top there. And you'll start to see how it was round brushed forward will start to bend into the rest of the hair. So now you can kind of see as we put this through. Get some volume there, buddy. You can start to see how that has a really cool kick to the front, and it doesn't just lay flat or lay straight back on its hair. And that is our quick little pompadour style on Ryan. Thank you guys for subscribing to us. Please check out freesalon.education.com and support companies like Freestyle and Millennium that help us out. And hope you enjoyed this little tip.